Light unit testing is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance. Regular testing helps to identify and address potential issues before they become critical. There are three main types of testing: weekly, monthly, and annually. For weekly testing, firstly, push the test button. The light should illuminate within 1 second. Secondly, hold the test button for 30 seconds. The light should remain lit. Thirdly, release the test button. The light should turn off immediately. For monthly testing, in addition to the weekly testing, there are other things you should do. Firstly, check the light emitting diode indicator. It should be lit or flashing green to indicate normal operation. Secondly, conduct a battery backup test. Remove the light unit from its base and disconnect the wires. The light should operate for at least 10 minutes. For annual testing, which you will do once per year, firstly, perform a full system test. Activate all smoke and heat detectors in the building. All light units should illuminate within 1 second. Secondly, conduct a visual inspection. Check the light unit for any damage, corrosion, or dust accumulation. Thirdly, conduct battery replacement. Replace the backup battery if it is over 5 years old or has low voltage. It is important to test all light units in the building, including those in basements, hallways, and stairwells. Keep a log of all testing results for documentation. If a light unit fails any of the tests, replace it immediately. Also, inform occupants of the building about the testing schedule and what to do if they hear the alarm. Proper documentation is essential. Maintain a detailed log of all tests performed, including the date, time, location of the unit, and the results. This log can be invaluable for identifying trends, tracking maintenance, and demonstrating compliance with safety regulations. If a light unit fails any of the tests, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. In many cases, a faulty battery is the culprit, but other components can also fail. Replace the entire unit if necessary, especially if repairs are complex or costly. Be proactive in informing building occupants about the testing schedule. This helps to minimize disruption and ensures they understand the importance of the tests. Clearly explain what they should do if they hear the alarm during a test or in a real emergency. Light units are a critical component of any building safety system. Regular testing is essential to ensure they function properly when needed most. By following these guidelines, you can help protect lives and property.